Hey everyone, today we are going to learn WordPress track. So you have seen many types of logos like this, and like this also. There's a center logo. But have you ever seen any animated or word routing logo in the WordPress website? So it's possible. So we can create this type of logo on the WordPress website. For those who don't know me, my name is Sahil Sonkar, co-founder and CEO of Digi, Eminence, a digital marketing and web development agency. We have managed millions of dollars in performance marketing for over 100 plus clients and deliver 500 plus websites. So let's start it. The first thing you need a reliable WordPress hosting. We are using Hostinger. We have already covered how to install WordPress, set up our theme and configure all the basic WordPress setting in our previous video. I will add the link to that video in our description so you can watch it from there. So in this tutorial, we are currently using this website. We are going to convert our simple Madras Media logo into stylish and animated format. So first thing we need to go the dashboard and upload a logo. So go to the media and click on the library. Simply click on the add media file. I'll upload here the logo. In this tutorial, I'm already upload the logo here. Simply copy this URL and after that cut this. Go to the website. Click on edit with Elementor and here is a header edit. Here you can see three sections. First is logo, second is menu, and third is a CTA button. You can arrange these sections according to your requirement. So now to convert this normal logo into animated word routing logo, so we will need some HTML code. So I generated direct from the ChatGPT. So here is the code that ChatGPT was provided. To simply we paste here our logo URL here. After a copy this URL and come to the header edit. Come here and delete this. After that, I research here in the widget section HTML. I drag here and paste here a code, and that's it. Our animated and word routing logo is now ready. So let's publish here. After that, just simply search here your name, brand name, and you can see our logo is now similar to this one. This. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, and I add this codes on our description, as well as I'm also put the URL of the hostinger so you can purchase here. Thank you so much for watching the video.